Huawei has just announced its list of devices that will update to HarmonyOS 5, which globally could be MUI 16, but it is still not very clear the strategy that Huawei will take for the global market. But it can serve as a reference for us to know more or less the support that Huawei will give to certain devices. Remember that this announcement has been made in China, and that is why it is necessary to note the difference between the system that is aimed at China and the global version that usually arrives with MUI. Currently, there is already a good list of devices that are open to a public beta, so users can sign up to install this version of the operating system, which is not yet 100% stable. So it could contain some bugs. The list of devices is headed by the Huawei Mate 70, which is the flagship model of the brand, also Mate 60, as well as the foldable X6 and X5. Also present is the entire Pure Series 70. Plus Pocket 2. For tablets, there's the MatePad Pro 13.2 inches and the MatePad Pro 11 inches of 2024. On March 31st, open beta starts for more devices, including mid-range like Huawei Nova 13 and Nova 12 in all variants. By mid-year, the final update should reach all these devices, including the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Design, the Trifold Foldable, and the Nova Flip, and many other tablet models. With this, it is clear that support will surely be provided from Huawei Nova 12. So the Huawei Nova 11, I think they will no longer receive many updates, but remember that in this case we are talking specifically about the plan for China. We will have to wait if Huawei launches any other list, because in this sense of update support, Huawei has been very silent lately, surely because they do not yet have a good future planned regarding what is going to happen with its operating system, which is still based on Android 12 globally. However, in China, Harmony Next is already a brand new OS version without any Android code. In China, application developers have been actively working to optimize and develop all these applications specifically for Huawei's operating system. This is something that is very challenging to achieve on a global scale. Huawei faces challenges with global software for future releases, but let's stay updated and I'll share any news.